Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for Love with Food, and this is their tasting unboxing. And there's a card on the inside. And the snacks for this month, this is the December box. The first item I'm pulling out is dry roasted edamame with sea salt. I actually do not like edamame, but I've never had it dry roasted, so maybe I'll like it, but probably not. But the next item is gluten-free oat thins, toasted oat. I have not tried these before, but we'll give that a try as well. And I know I've had these before, but I think different flavors. It's fruit to go. This one's apple and raspberry. Gluten-free, vegan, nut-free. And I've gotten a couple. Oh, this one actually has elderberry and some other juice concentrates. Sometimes I get these and there's just like 2 ingredients in there, so that's kind of nice. Nice and simple. I know I've gotten this before. This is Bunches of Crunches. It's dark chocolate sea salt with chia, and it's just super granola. It's been a while since I got that though. Also have Wisps, Parmesan cheese crisps. I have seen these. I think this is keto. Looks like it. And I know I've seen people on keto eat these. My friend eats these. And she likes them, but I've personally never had them, but excited to try them. Also have pineapple pork. Oh, barbecue flavored pineapple pork. Pork stick. So that sounds really interesting. Got that. A couple more items in here. Mighty Sesame Co. This is a Tahini Bar. Super Seed Sesame Bar. Vanilla flavor. 100 calories. Also have Bear apple chips in the cinnamon flavor. These are pretty good. I have had these before. And, ooh, there is a sample here of bone broth, instant beverage mix. So again, I hear a lot about this for people that are like fasting, and I think on keto as well, because there's no sugar or anything in it. But never, yeah, keto and paleo friendly. Heard lots about this stuff, never tried it, so excited for that. I have no idea what to expect with that. But yep, if you guys want to join, have a subscription, I'll put a promo code below. And if you want to see past boxes, I also have unboxing videos on my channel. For several years now, I've been subscribed to this company. So thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.